Hi everyone, it's Justina here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. So I'm coming on to do an unboxing for a shop that is new to me. They got in touch with me to ask me if I'd like to do an unboxing, and they let me choose some goodies from their shop, so I thought I would show you what I picked. So the shop name is EasyCraftArt. All of the homepage links and product links will be in the description box. And they've also kindly given me a discount code to share with you, which I believe is 12% off. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I just thought I would have a little look at what I've picked. Yeah, I can't actually remember. So I'm excited to dig in. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got an ink pad, which I can't get into the plastic, so I'll have to do that off screen. In orange and yellow shades. I thought this would be useful for autumn because I don't have any in that sort of colour. So it's basically a stationery shop that do all kinds of things like stickers, papers, ink pads, stencils, stamps, you know, all that kind of thing really. And this is what I've got. So I've got a box of stickers here, which I think was also sort of in the autumnal theme. Can't see how many stickers are in there, but I think it's probably something like 40 odd or something. So we've got some autumnal leaves, pink berries. I won't go through them all because there's a whole bunch. Feathers, leaves, berries, acorns, you know, all the sorts of things that I like to use. Mushrooms, ivy leaves there, pine cones. So they're going to be brilliant for, well, autumn and winter, but also woodlands and general general nature projects. So I'm going to pop those to one side and sort them into my drawers after. I've got some wax pellets. So they had a bunch of different sort of sets of colours. And I'm sorry about the shiny plastic and my light, but essentially this pack was in greens. Different shades of green with some like pearlescent white and white in there. So I thought that would be useful for nature and botanicals and that kind of thing, because I don't have very much green wax. I have a whole box full of wax, but I don't have much in the green variety. So I thought this was useful to come in the different shades, so you can just get one pack of a colour, you know. That was pretty cool. There's so much here, I don't know where to dive in first. I believe this was a craft knife. It's going to be very sharp probably. Ooh, it's one of those, you know, when you like, it's like a precision knife, isn't it? I mean, that looks very sharp. So you can cut around certain things. So I'll have to give that a go at some point, but I might need a little bit of practice because I don't trust myself with sharp blades. I've got some more stickers. I think these were, oh yeah, autumn wind withered leaves is what these ones are called. And of course I'm going to save the packaging. Because that's a nice, I know I'm showing you the packaging first, but you know, that's a nice colour. So these are the two sheets of different leaves and autumnal type plants. Very nice, those. They're a nice size actually. They're very diddy, so they will be nice for little clusters and small embellishment type things. Got some washi. Yeah, they let me pick quite a few goodies, so I'm very excited. But having a look at the prices and stuff, they seemed pretty fair prices. So not breaking the bank, and then of course, with them giving me a discount code that we can use, you're welcome to that. All of that will be in the description box if I didn't already say. Now this is a very cool washi because it's not your usual washi, but unfortunately I don't know how to get into it. Let me have a little look. Where's the end? I can see the end. Oh, I think it's like taped. Let me just be, oh there we go. I think it was just taped together. Oh, it's very sticky, that's why. Have I got it? Oh, I think I've got it. There we go. Okay, wonderful. Would you check that out? I don't know how well you'll be able to see. Let me see if, because it is shiny, but can you see all the different like labels, specimen notes. It's all like nature inspired, like labels and things. And I thought they come in sticker form, or it's a washi. It's like, oh, it's really hard to explain. It's I think it's a washi. I think it's sticky. I might have to have a bit of practice with this one as well, but I thought it would be really cool to try it. I think it's a sticky washi. I can't really tell. I think it is. Yeah, it is a sticker. Yeah, it is like a clear washi, like a sticker. But then you can cut around these, which I guess is what this is for. So, you know, I could cut around that label if I wanted, or something. Or I can just use the whole thing and have that as be, you know, something decorative. So that's going to be really interesting to use. So wish me luck with that one. I'm sure I will show you what I make with it. So that's that. I got some more collage-y type papers. I got some of this type of stuff in another unboxing that I did, was it sometime last month, of course. Cool packaging. Scripty text, keeping that. But these ones are a bigger size. So these are more like a large journal card size. And these ones were all like scripty writing, all in different colours. You know, we've got beiges, green, brown, sort of like a dark green, all like vintage letters and vintage handwriting. Well, that one's in French. Very nice. So yeah, a whole pack of those. Oh, that's lovely with those leaves. Can you see all the pattern with the scripty text? So I could just make journal cards with these and use these as the background and, you know, collage on them. I can use them in papers. I love that one with the stamps. Or they're plain on the back, so I could literally, you know, for example, this one, I could fold it along the lines because it looks like this is like a, you know, a scanned in letter. So if I fold it along what looks to be what was the original lines, I could then have that as an interesting piece of faux vintage ephemera inside a journal. You see? How cute would that be as a pocket filler? So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm going to put that one in my to-do bag because clearly I can use that straight away. All different postage stamps. And this one is the last one. Very nice. Love those. So yeah, a really nice size that. They look to be, they're bigger than 6x4, not quite 5x7 is what I'm thinking. Let's have a little look. Oh yeah, just shy of 5 by 6.5. So yeah, about 4.5 by 6.5, that sort of size. And then bigger still is some more collage-y papers. Where's that packaging? Here it is. Oh, it's got a fairy on it. Oh, that's interesting. It's all got different text and flowers. Sorry, attracted to the packaging again. And this one was, oh, what were they calling it? Oh, I can't quite remember, but it was like floral bookplate type things. So these are bigger still. And they're all, you know, from like antique books. And again, plain on the back for writing. So we've got, you know, Daisy. And I thought these would make interesting pages in a journal, or they can be journal cards. I could cut around these ovals and have them be embellishment pieces. So it looks to be you get 2 of each, just like the, you know, writing papers. But yeah, I thought these would be interesting. Very vintagey looking, of course. Of course, I'm about to do my orange week filming, so I'm looking out for anything that's got orange in it as well. So I might be able to use some of this stuff straight away. So a bunch of those. And then last but not least, if memory serves, this was Postcards. And once again, I adore that packaging. Would you look at that? It's got twine and a tag. Very exciting. How do I get into it? I have to untie it. Ah, shame, that looked really nice. I have to tie it back up. There we go. This is cool packaging. I like this. I'm just thinking, I've got my junk journaler's hat on. How can I use that packaging? Because it looks like, you know, an envelope type thing. So I'll be thinking of something to do with that. Anyway, to the product. They are postcards. So it looks to be they're slightly shiny. Oh, cool. I thought they would be plain on the back, but they have actually got, you know, postcard markings. Oh, that one's shaped. It's like shaped like an old newspaper. Yeah, these are cool. Nice floral on there, orange. Might dig that out. Some scripty text. So yeah, it's a shame about the shininess, but I don't mind. And you can always gesso over them. They're a nice thickness though. It's like chipboard. So these are going to be great pocket fillers. Oh look, orange stamp. That's cool. I like that. I like these. And then they're matte on the back, so, you know, good for journal spots. Oh, these are cool. They're all different. How many do you get? It does not say. Oh, 30. I think there's 30, but so far they're all different different types. And again, some of them are shaped. I like those. So yeah, that is what I've got. So the website is EasyCraftArt.com. Oh, nice. A boat. That's really cool. It's got all like, you know, like a vintage photo kind of look to it. Even like creasing, faux creasing from the scanned image. Yeah, anyway, so what was I saying? Yeah, so the website is EasyCraftArt.com. And as I say, there is a 12% discount code in the description box in case you would like to have a look at their website. Yeah, these are cool. I like them. I like everything that I've got, actually. No surprises there. I think I chose well. That's got a bit of orange on it. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy these. I mean, you know, we can add like florals and animals and things to them for our nature projects. That's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. You know, like on this one, you could have like a floral going up here, and then you've got all that space on the back to write. Yeah, I like them. Really like them. I can't believe, I really thought there would be, you know, the same design repeated, but no, it's so far, it's, yeah, all different designs. Ooh, a map. That's cool. I'm actually going to be doing a travel themed project at some point, so I'll put that in my travel bits. And last but not least, that one. Yeah, those are really cool. I like them. So that was my little haul from EasyCraftArt. So thank you to them for letting me pick some goodies. I'm excited by these. Yeah, some really great bits. And of course, I've got a bunch of packaging that I'm going to pop away and reuse, of course. So yeah, I hope that you like what I've chosen. I hope that you will check out their website, because, you know, it's really helpful to these companies to send me these goodies, because making these videos, you know, the costs add up, don't they, with supplies and things. So it's really helpful when companies want to support me in that, but also, you know, giving you some ideas of things that you can find to use in your journals. So that is my unboxing. So thank you again for watching, and thank you to the company for sending me these. As I say, I will link their homepage down below, the product links of these specific products that I've chosen, and then of course the discount code will be there as well for you to use if you would like. That is it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing them, and these goodies will come out again in the near future, especially the autumnal bits. I might even stow away these for my orange project, maybe, we'll see. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed that, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.